ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. I am Falak Khan, anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry titans to share their experiences, thoughts, ideas, and best practices in order to inspire one another and future leaders. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings acquired by these industry leaders. We also hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leaders interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personalities. By bringing together such visionaries on one platform, we hope to play a part in inspiring the lives of other leaders. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone by identifying, nurturing, and using the trade secrets that are proven success formulas for many. And this is what we aim for with these sessions by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge-sharing community. We have one such industry titan on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Mr. Anurag Singh. Welcome on FaceTime with Leaders, Mr. Singh.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Mr. Singh is a seasoned supply chain and logistics professional with over 2 decades of experience in the field, possessing an entrepreneurial vision, a pragmatic approach, and a drive to explore new paradigms to achieve business objectives. He has a vast purview, namely inventory management, distribution management, warehousing operations, demand forecasting, team leadership and coaching, client relationship management, people management, credit management, vendor development, and strategic. In his latest job, he has served as the senior manager of supply chain and logistics at Azafaran Innovacion Ltd, where he successfully implemented a centralized distribution model, reduced inventory levels, and improved order execution and delivery time. We are glad to have you here today with us. So, Mr. Anurag Singh, our viewers would like to know your career journey so far in brief.
Okay. See, I have experience of more than 22 years, and so far my journey has been very, diverse and extensive. And I have worked in different geographical area, where I got a chance to work in Punjab, Delhi, NCR, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh. And I have held different positions during my this long career. And basically, I was involved into the supply chain management and the logistics. And I was taking care of the sales part to the major extent. And I have gained like a good expertise in terms of supply chain management, in warehousing management, how to reduce the inventory, how to bring down the cost. So this has all been my expertise. And I have served with various organizations. I started with Gati Limited. Then I got a chance to work with LB Limited. Then I came back to Gati as a senior manager and got 2 promotions over there. Then I switched to Drive India Solutions Limited, which was a Tata subsidiary, into the logistics and supply chain. And then from there, I shifted to Rishikeram Logistics and finally to the Azafaran Innovacion Ltd. This has been my journey so far.
That's really great. Indeed come a long way. So you seem to have been interested in botany as you have a BSc honors degree in the discipline. However, you changed your career trajectory early on with a PG diploma in sales and marketing. So with hindsight, was it a worthwhile move?
Yes, since I was from the background, our science background, I opted for the graduation. But I understood very early that, I'm more interested into the sales and marketing, and this field always attracted me. So that is the reason I chose to do the PG diploma in sales and marketing. And definitely it was a worthwhile, thing for me to do this course. And with the expertise and the knowledge that I gained, this has really helped me in building my career in the supply chains and logistics, because the concept that were taught to us, helped me in executing the things in the market and in the different geographical areas.
That's really great. So you have had numerous professional achievements. Which of them do you regard as the most cherishable and why?
See, during this entire career, there were a lot of achievements. But one thing I would like to say is that, I've always believed into the teamwork. And any achievement that goes to your team. So if you have a very good team, the entire team work for one single objective, then definitely, that achievement automatically comes. So I always believed into that teamwork. And most of my career has been into the Gati. I have served for a very long time. And I got a chance to serve there in Gujarat. And where as a team, we were able to turn around the sales from minus 25% to plus 20% on year basis. And apart from that, during my career in the Drive India Logistics, so we were handling around 2.5 lakh square feet of the warehousing space. And that was a major thing for a territory like Gujarat. And finally, into the Azafaran innovations, bringing down the cost, reducing the cost, and bringing down the inventory level, which was a major thing. And we were successfully able to do that.
Wow, that's really interesting. And since you mentioned your career journey, as you have a really vast work profile, what roles do you enjoy the most?
I would say I have enjoyed each and every role that I have served with, because each and every role had its own challenges and own learning. And each role has given me some kind of understanding, better expertise and skills. And with the insights, in terms of formulating the strategy, in terms of the inventory management and everything, this thing has helped me in achieving my business goal. So I would say that, each role I have enjoyed, I've thoroughly enjoyed, and they have made me a better person, and they are helping me in growing. So I'm looking forward to continue to learn and grow my career.
That's really very nice to know that. So when was the first time you developed an interest in corporate governance?
Corporate governance, I would say in the recent years, I've gone through a lot of articles where I've studied, the impact of the corporate governance on the performance of the organization. Apart from that, there were a lot of scandals, that happened in the corporate industry. So they were basically due to the lack of the corporate governance. So, I had the idea that, a good governance can make a long-term impact on the performance of the organization, not only for the company, but for the stakeholder as well, who are the prime concern for any organization. So it is very necessary for a company to have a good governance policy. So that is the reason I became interested into the corporate governance.
So as an ESG and corporate governance expert, what values do you bring to the table?
So ESG is a very new thing. And I believe that, sustainability, compliance, stakeholder engagement, long-term value creations are the essential ethical value for the companies to uphold. Companies have a responsibility to operate in a sustainable manner that respects the environment and towards the community. The company has to comply with the law and the regulation that governs their operation. So, in order to bring the long-term value for the stakeholder and the responsibility towards the environment, each and every company has to follow these regulations. So, I am looking forward to help the organization, in executing the sustainable environmental and practices.
That's a really nice thought. So when we talk about technology, what are some of the most remarkable changes you have seen in your field with changes in technology? And what changes do you expect to see with the advent of IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, big data, and Web 3.0?
In recent years, the supply chain has gone through a lot of technological changes. Technology has revolutionized the supply chain and logistics. In terms of the real-time visibility, the tracking, the automation, the robotics, and analytics, the demand forecasting, collaboration, and communications. So a lot of things have happened in terms of the technology in the supply chain domain. Looking at IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, big idea, and Web3 are expected to bring further changes in the field of logistics. And these technologies can drive greater efficiency, visibility, sustainability, and collaboration, leading to the more resilient and the agile supply chain in the future.
Yes, definitely. We hope so indeed. So we are building a community of industry magnets. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. So what are your thoughts about this initiative taken by Mr. Sushant Pathan, Mr. Hemal Mehta, and the whole World Development Corporation team?
I think this is a great initiative. I believe it has a potential to make a real difference in the industry. Cross-pollination of knowledge is essential for the innovation, and the community of industry experts can provide a valuable forum for sharing the ideas and the best practices. by bringing together the corporate giants and the industry expert with their wealth of knowledge and experience. They can share their knowledge and help each other in grow and succeed. This can help to accelerate the innovations and create new opportunity for growth. And I'm also impressed by the fact that the initiative is being led by Mr. Jishan and Mr. Heval Mehta, and that I would like to congratulate the entire team of World Development Corporation for this effort. And I am confident, that they will be able to make a lot of difference in the industry.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your wonderful and kind words. It was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will inspire future leaders. Thank you so much once again, Mr. Anurag Singh, for joining us today. We wish you the best for your future endeavors. Moreover, trust that this initiative by Directors Institute unquestionably expanded the participants' understanding and enriched their minds. Thank you so much. And I'm sure that everyone watching this, it will help them grow in their careers too.
Thank you so much, Deva. Thank you so much.